Well, good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Unfortunately, not able to record the traditional way. My webcam looks to be broken with the speaker, so I am shooting from my phone here for today and shooting it towards a monitor, so you'll have to go with that. At least I think you should be able to see everything there. But I wanted to recap things last night. Again, thankfully, not much for any kind of tornadic activity. In fact, the worst of the severe weather was the hail up to 3 inches in diameter, and then, of course, the flooding. And that's kind of still the ongoing concern out there this morning. One of the heaviest hit areas was parts of southwestern and west central portions of Thayer County, southeastern Nuckolls County, and then eastern Jewell County, where we saw anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of rainfall in a very short amount of time. And then also we had some storms that dropped about 2 to 4 inches of rain around Elm Creek down towards the Holdridge area. And so those areas are all seeing flood warnings. One flood warning there around the western parts of Buffalo County into Phelps County. That goes until 8:15 this morning. And then for western Thayer County, eastern Nuckolls County, and eastern Jewell County, that flood warning goes until 10 o'clock. And of course, those will be reevaluated in case they need to be extended a little bit longer. So we have an area of low pressure that's now sitting over south central portions of Nebraska, and this will be slowly pushing eastward. A lot of counterclockwise rotation around it, moisture wrapping around it. Mostly going to be showers, maybe the occasional clap of thunder. There's not a lot of instability out there. And yes, that is snow falling to the west. Now, I think it's a little aggressive, this forecast models, with bringing that snow a little too far east. I think it'll mostly stay outside of the KSMB viewing area in the Sandhills of Nebraska. Best chance of rain will be during the morning. It lightens up a little bit this afternoon as low pressure pushes to the east. Out ahead of that low pressure, we may still see some isolated severe thunderstorms in far eastern Nebraska later this afternoon. It's not a good chance, but it is a chance out there. And then as we head into this evening, just a few leftover showers during the evening and overnight hours wrapping around that low pressure as it starts to push to the east. By tomorrow morning, other than maybe a small chance of a lingering shower in the east, most of us drying things out. It's a temporary day of dry weather for Thursday. It's still going to be a mostly cloudy day, not a whole lot of sun out there, and it's going to stay on the cool side. But showers start to already make their way in late Tuesday or Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening out towards the west as our next system makes its way through, and it will be another slow mover bringing numerous showers back to the forecast for the end of the weekend. There I am bumping the camera there as we take a look at our severe weather risk for today. And again, it's mainly confined to areas east of Highway 77 in eastern Nebraska. Again, not a very good chance. The better chance will be east of the Missouri River. So again, an isolated severe storm not out of the question, but not a good chance. Temperatures for today, and most of us have actually already seen our highs today as that low pressure is pushing eastward. Winds are picking up out of the north and northwest on the backside of it and drawing in colder air. So some places actually seeing their highs very early in the day. In fact, for instance, the Tri-Cities, Hastings was up in the 50s, has dropped back into the upper 40s now, and will probably stay fairly steady through most of the day today. The one place that may warm up a little bit is going to be eastern Nebraska. Not a huge climate temps, but maybe getting into the lower 60s for afternoon highs. For the Tri-Cities, your next 7 days, not the best of weather. First off, just kind of cool conditions. Average highs this time of the year in the mid to upper 60s, and we'll be below that over the next 7 days. Again, we get that temporary break in the rain for tomorrow. More showers coming in late Thursday night into Friday. The best chance of rain, heavy rain at times, maybe Friday night into Saturday. The occasional clap of thunder, but again, at this point, not expecting severe thunderstorms. Still a few showers lingering into Saturday night and Sunday, especially Sunday morning. And then that system clears out. We may get another one that comes through, bringing at least a small chance of rain for next Monday and Tuesday, but maybe hoping for at least a little bit of sunshine to try to get us back into the lower 60s. Again, not much of a severe weather threat, but with the flooding we've been seeing and the heavy rains we've already been seeing, flooding will continue to be a concern over the next several days to come. So something to keep in mind. And a lot of farmers want to get out there and plant and haven't gotten a chance to yet. And unfortunately, those fields are going to be pretty soaking wet here as we go through the next several days ahead of us. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.